Awaited Lok Sabha polls 2024 has begun. 102 constituencies across 21 states and union territories are going to exercise their right to vote. This phase is considered to be the largest of all the 7 phases of the Lok Sabha polls. However, the biggest battle will be for Tamil Nadu. All the 39 seats in the state are going to polls in the first phase itself. Some of the major states that are going to polls in phase 1 include the state of Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and Uttarakhand, among others. Now, the polls will be conducted, remember, in 7 phases and the result will be declared on 4th of June. Today is the first phase, the largest phase, where 102 seats are in the polling fray. Let us also tell you what are the major talking points in a few states going to polls in the first phase. Starting from the state of, this is Tamil Nadu, there are 39 seats that are going for polls in the first phase itself. So all the 39 seats. Then in Rajasthan, 12 seats for the first phase, 12 seats. And in Uttar Pradesh, 8 seats are in the polling fray for the first phase. For Madhya Pradesh, there are 6 seats in the first phase. In Uttarakhand, 5 seats in the first phase of polling for general elections 2024. And in Maharashtra, another crucial state, where in the first phase, 5 seats are in the polling fray where the voting has already begun. In Assam, 5 seats in the first phase. So these are the states where the first phase of elections is happening. They all constitute 102 seats. 4 seats in the state of Bihar. There are 102 seats in 21 states and union territories. 3 seats where the polling has begun in the state of West Bengal for the first phase of general elections 2024. Then you have Meghalaya with 2 seats. There are in all 21 states where there are 102 seats where polling has begun. All of this, of course, part of the first phase, which is the largest. If you talk about Arunachal Pradesh, 2 Lok Sabha seats where the polling has begun. Remember, there are assembly elections also simultaneously happening in 2 states. In Manipur, there are 2 seats of in the Lok Sabha elections first phase where the polling has begun. So these are the states, 21 of them where there are 102 seats on which polling has begun. Now, let's take a look at how, in fact, the preparations are as far as the states are concerned. Let's begin with Rajasthan, 12 seats where polling has begun, and these are the issues there or the recent developments. Nagaur and Ganganagar saw farmers' unrest. Apart from that, Churu is home to the large Jat population if you talk about the state of Rajasthan. And then you have Dausa, which is a very important seat dominated by the Gujjars. So farmers, Gujjars and Jats, these 3 seem to be the big factors as far as these 12 seats in the state of Rajasthan are concerned. Let's move on. Let's shift our focus to the state of Uttar Pradesh now, where in all 8 seats are going to polls in Western UP. So the first phase of polling is happening in Western UP. Why this is important? Why Western UP is important? Because this is a litmus test for Jayant Singh after alliance with NDA. So he is now part of the NDA and it is going to be a litmus test for him. BJP versus SP versus BSP. That's the fight that you will see in Muzaffarnagar. So on the 8 seats that we are talking about, this is the big story, the big factors. Azam Khan versus Akhilesh Yadav. Over the candidates, we saw how, in fact, more than one candidate reached the polling station to file for their nomination because there was a tussle between Akhilesh Yadav and Azam Khan. They had 2 very different choices when it came to candidates. Muslim anger to Sindh SP in Moradabad, Rampur, that's a big question given the recent developments that have taken place and how the vote bank in fact is shifting with Asaduddin Owaisi also jumping into the poll fray. Things seem to be shifting or tilting a bit. So this is Uttar Pradesh, 8 seats to go to polls in Western Uttar Pradesh. We have Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast with more details. Sabyasachi, the largest phase is the first phase, 102 Lok Sabha seats where polling already has begun. Tell us, where are you reporting from and what can you see?
Well, absolutely. See, right now I'm reporting from the Moradabad constituency where it's a 3-way battle between the BJP, the Samajwadi Party and the BSP. Meanwhile, you can see it's still early in the morning and a large amount of voters who have gathered out here to cast their vote. We'll straight away speak to some of them. सर, आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि इस बार के मुद्दे क्या है चुनाव के?
मुद्दे तो वही हैं जो मतलब कि तुम्हारी इसके
सर आपसे पूछूंगा इस बार चुनाव के मुद्दे क्या हैं?
इस बार अच्छा है, बढ़िया चुनाव अच्छा चल रहा है और यही चाहें कि सब बॉडी पोलिंग बहुत अच्छे से निपटे, कोई लड़ाई दंगल नहीं हो किसी प्रकार की भी, अच्छी प्रकार से
तो आपसे पूछूंगा क्या डबल इंजन सरकार चाहिए आगे या बदलाव चाहिए?
देखो जैसे सरकार चलती आई है ऐसी चलती चली जाए, बहुत अच्छा है और यही काम बहुत अच्छा चला जाए जो गवर्नमेंट कर रही है, अच्छा पब्लिक के लिए सुविधा है।
भैया आपसे पूछूंगा इस बार चुनाव के अगर मुरादाबाद की बात करें तो क्या मुद्दे हैं लोगों के?
बेरोजगारी, महंगाई, बेरोजगारी है और क्या है, महंगाई बेरोजगारी और क्या, गरीब आदमी क्या करेगा, न काम है, अमीर को क्या, उन्हें तो राशन के भाव नहीं पता, अमीर आदमी को पता।
सर आप क्या कहोगे, क्या है मुद्दे इस बार के?
यही मुद्दा सबका ही, बेरोजगारी यही सब।
Well, there you can see that people are talking about the inflation, the unemployment being the key issue this time around. See, in the constituency of Moradabad, it's extremely crucial for the BJP as well as a Samajwadi Party.
Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We're getting some breaking inputs now. Like you said, voters already coming to the polling station. This is the first hour of polling, and we're getting some shots as well of Mr. Chidambaram. The voting for the first phase of Lok Sabha polls has begun, and already you see a queue outside the polling station in Moradabad from where Sabyasachi was reporting. Let's also get you visuals and updates from the other